Good Thursday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got going on weather-wise around the area today. Starting off at 70 degrees at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury. Temperatures hovering right around 70 around the county, depending on your location. 63 degrees to start the day off in Boone. And the warm spots on the map coming in looks like around 73 degrees, with Charlotte being one of those. We'll warm up to the mid-90s once again today. Another hot day on tap. As a matter of fact, we're in a very dry pattern, very hot pattern. We're going to see heat just continue to build as we go through the weekend and early next week. Temperature is going to be right around the mid-90s pretty much the entire time, with lows around 70 degrees every day as well. Let's go ahead and pan out real quick. There's three systems out in the Atlantic. We're only going to really talk to you about one because it's the only one that has a chance of making any kind of impact in the United States. And it's down toward the Gulf of Mexico, making its way actually toward the Gulf of Mexico, and it'll move right along the Mexican peninsula as we go through the next few days. And it is Invest 99L. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that, as it does have around a 60 to 80% chance of becoming a named storm over the next few days. So we'll continue to keep you updated on it. Again, there are two more systems out in the Atlantic that are worth keeping an eye on, but they're not of any concern for making any kind of landfall or impacting the United States in any way, shape, or form. They're basically what we call a good old-fashioned fish storm. So we've got high pressure in place that'll keep us hot and dry today and really right through the weekend into early next week. And we'll give you more details on that with the 5-day forecast coming up. Let's go ahead and take a quick break, get a word from our friends at Visit Rowan County. We'll come back, give you the 5-day forecast and more right after this.
When you're ready to travel, let's give it another go.
The weather impact sponsored by Patterson Farm. The fall educational school tour is coming up September 17th through November 5th. You can visit pattersonfarm.com for more details on booking your tour, just information about the tours in general. Other details that you can see are the corn maze that we've got going on out there as well. You can do that virtually and in person, and also the pumpkin patch coming up as we head toward the Halloween holiday at the end of October. One of the fun ways to culminate the fall activities out at Patterson Farm. Don't forget the market, where you can go out there and get some fresh from the farm produce and other goodies to bring home to decorate with, as well as to feed the family. So certainly check it out and go visit pattersonfarm.com for all the details. The weather impacts today: we'll see patchy fog burn off early this morning, mostly sunny skies during the day and hot. Winds will be out of the south at around 5 miles an hour, and partly cloudy skies this evening. As we continue to keep an eye on the tropics, again, there's only one storm that can make an impact on the United States, and it could get one of these three names, as all three storms have the potential of becoming named storms. Ida, Julian, and Kate are the next three up. So depending on which one gets a name first will be the one that becomes Ida, and then the others will fall in line if they get names as well. We'll continue to keep you updated on that. The Pollen Outlook has high levels of pollen right into early next week. The main pollen drivers: grasses, chenopod's, and ragweed. And Goodnight's Lawn Care sponsors the Pollen Outlook. We certainly appreciate that, as well as all the services they provide: mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and more. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. They offer all those services. And for more information on additional services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. The mowing forecast: other than the fact that it's going to be extremely hot, make sure that you stay hydrated if you're outside doing any yard work or any kind of recreational activity, or just outside just to get some fresh air. Make sure that you stay hydrated and take some indoor breaks on occasion to keep your body acclimated and safe during these times. Mosquito Forecast shows extreme levels of activity right into early next week. And high school football game day forecast: games coming up on Friday, August 27th include South Rowan at North Rowan, Carson at Mount Pleasant, Davie at West Rowan, East Rowan at North Stanley, and Salisbury at Polk County. We'll continue to keep you updated on those games as to whether they take place or not. Game start looking at 83 degrees with partly sunny skies. By halftime, 81 degrees with partly cloudy skies. And then the end of the game around 80 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Again, it's just going to be hot even at these games as we head into the nighttime hours. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. We'll see mostly sunny skies throughout the 5-day period. Again, highs right around 92 to 95 degrees, so right in the low to mid 90s as we go through the weekend right into early next week, and lows in the upper 60s right around 70 degrees with mostly clear skies during the evening hours. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with the Rowan County weather, you can visit us anytime on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Thursday. As always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.